there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. It's the Holy Stone HS430 versus the Loiley drone. Buckle up, because this comparison is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. Holy Stone HS430 comes in at a wallet-friendly $77. Meanwhile, the Loiley drone will set you back a bit more at $99. So if you're on a budget tighter than your pants after Thanksgiving dinner, Holy Stone might already be winning your heart. Let's dive into the camera quality. Both drones boast a 1080p camera, which is perfect for capturing those Instagram-worthy shots. But Holy Stone HS430's camera is like that friend who always takes a good photo, no matter what. Smooth FPV transmission sends every detail to your phone in real time, making it ideal for some spontaneous selfie action. Loiley, on the other hand, has a camera angle that can be adjusted remotely up to 90 degrees and comes with an upgraded hover system. So if you're looking to capture your good side, Loiley's got your back. Literally. Next up, flight time and battery life. Holy Stone gives you nearly half an hour of flight time with its two modular LiPo batteries. Loiley matches that with its own two rechargeable batteries, giving you about 25 to 30 minutes of airtime. Both come with overvoltage protection and a low battery warning, so you won't have to worry about your drone dropping out of the sky like a bad habit. But hey, with Holy Stone, you also get a remote control that emits a warning sound when the battery is low. It's like having your mom yell at you for leaving the lights on, but way more helpful. Now, let's talk portability. The Holy Stone HS430 is so compact, it can fit in the palm of your hand when it's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Small but mighty. Loiley is also super portable, and it even weighs under 250 grams, saving you from the FAA registration hassle. So if you're planning to take your drone on a world tour, both these little guys are ready to be your travel buddy. Just don't forget to send them a postcard. When it comes to fun features, Holy Stone is like the life of the party. High-speed rotation, circle fly, trajectory flight, voice control, gesture control, gravity sensor mode, throw to go, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, 360 degrees flip VR mode. It's got more tricks than a magician at a kid's birthday party. Loiley isn't far behind with its 360 degrees flips, gravity sensing, voice control, and gesture selfies. Plus, you can add music and filters to your videos. So if you want to make your drone footage look like a TikTok superstar, Loiley's got you covered. Last but not least, let's see how beginner-friendly these drones are. Holy Stone HS430 is packed with features to make your first flights smoother than a jazz saxophone solo. Headless mode, emergency stop, and a 3-speed switch are just the tip of the iceberg. Loiley is equally user-friendly, with one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. Plus, it offers smart app control through the Loiley Fly app, making it easy to define flight routes and control the drone with your voice. Reviewers have praised the Holy Stone HS430 for its ease of use, good camera quality, and overall value for beginners. Some noted minor issues with stability and battery life, but the general consensus is positive. On the other hand, the Loiley drone receives commendations for its advanced features, sturdy build, and suitability for both beginners and experienced pilots. Some reviewers mentioned its struggles in windy conditions and lack of GPS, but overall, it's highly recommended for its value and performance. So there you have it, folks. Both the Holy Stone HS430 and the Loiley drone have their own unique charm and features. Holy Stone is like your reliable, fun-loving friend who always brings the good vibes, while Loiley is your tech-savvy buddy who's got a few extra tricks up their sleeve. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.